Hi there, good evening. Welcome to another brand new video, and this video is gonna be shopping video. I'm here to buy a few things, and by the way I'm gonna vlog today, so let's get into the shopping place and we'll see you there. First of all, thank you very much all of you guys who recently subscribed to my channel and if you are guys just tuning to this channel, this is Nepal in China, and I do vlogs from all the way Jilin, China. And now Jilin, this street it is like this, full of businesses. And today is a little bit cold because it was raining yesterday. So today it's cold. People are with the extra jacket today. So now we're gonna go to one esports brand, the Chinese esports brand, to buy the waterproof things, windproof things. So let's see how are things there. This is the leaning place, okay? Where is my wife? I don't know. So that's up we failed to get the waterproof, windproof clothes because it is different supplier. They don't have so much things for like, you know, outdoor activities. Shops, everything they are decorated like this. And this is another leaning, and we will see if they have those stuff or not. I think this also the same shop like another one. I want like this trouser, but no inside. So I think we don't have luck, you know. Did you see? No, I don't want this style. No, maybe. So no luck here as well. So this is the Chinese brand which is called Leaning, esports brand especially, plus outdoor activities. Anyway, if you know any other Chinese brand, sports brand especially, comment down below. So like this brands, especially here in China, they have different supplier, you know. It depends the supplier, you know. If you have, you know, like quality suppliers, I mean quality product suppliers means that store will have the quality product even within the same brand. So you know, when you go to buy the things in China, especially if you ever come to visit or you just come for, you know, to stay here, you can choose, you know, the stores, even, you know, they are the same, but you know the quality can vary from each, you know, different store. So you can think about this one and choose your store side. No luck so far, so gonna go to other store to check. Let's see if we can find or not. I think we will not find. It depends, you know, because here I think not a lot of this kind of culture like trekking and hiking. So maybe that's the reason the stores, they will not, you know, buy this kind of stuff to sell. That's the point. Because my previous videos, you will know what are they. This one is damaged egg. That one is sausage. This one is famous here. So you can make barbecue as well. Famous snacks here in Tungbei. So we give up our sports shopping. They don't have those types of stuff there. So we just come to this supermarket to buy few things, you know. Here also, sometimes they will have the things, but not really they have the good quality, you know, like what I want, you know. So probably gonna order from internet and see some sports brand, they will send quick delivery. Maybe we can try. So let's see what will happen. But here, you see, I'll show you. This one is also waterproof, but not real. I want this one, and this one is a little bit weak, and it's only 199 yen. We ended up in this mall supermarket, and here on my side you can see the waiter. Okay, this is artificial waiter selling the product here.
下午好，欢迎光临大润发传饮店，我是小豹，很高
This
兴
one, if you block, what's your
大家好，欢迎来到大润发，我是草原型奶干，丝丝柔软，入口香浓，传统工艺，精心制作。
So this one is working as a waiter for selling food here. So they have profit, If there is new product, you can put there and sell. So that is very useful. Here the hot dog, the 2 pieces, they are 7 yuan and 3 is 6.4. So the woman sent us back and we have to take 3 and we can get less price. $118 half kilo. It's really big, this one. Look. So for today, our clothes shopping is finished. We didn't find what I am looking for, and just we bought few from here. 2 shorts and 1 jumper from this supermarket. Here is a little bit, cheap, and the quality is okay here. Not so bad, not so good. It's like a medium quality, not so fashionable, but they have many clothes here. Anyway, I'm gonna continue this vlog for next day as well because we're gonna shop. So we see you later. Until then, cheers.
The next day.
I'm selling underwears now. If you want one, I give you for free. This side have socks. These ladies, they are searching something that I don't know at all. Following ladies here. Look at these ladies. Have you ever followed women while they are shopping? I'm doing. If you check around me, you can see many old people. So basically, old people is running the city. So when you are going shopping with ladies, don't expect they will buy the things. They will check one by one everything from the store and try a few, and they will not buy. So be ready for that if you are going shopping with ladies. And now I am having rest. Cannot even walk, so I am just giving instruction. They will just try somewhere and okay or not, they will ask me. I said yes or no. Try to find the easiest shopping. And the ladies, they are inside, they are trying to close that shop. So this is like this. And that one is okay. Look. This is what it is going on. Anyway, for me, shopping is I think what I need to buy, and I'll just go and I'll just pick up if it's okay. I don't go for even second better one. Just pick up if what are my requirement, feel a bit. That's my shopping style. For some other people, they have different style. Maybe you also can have the different style, and you like to choose a lot. And the different people, they have different style of doing shopping. So it is interesting to go shopping sometime. And here in Jilin, there are not many foreigners. They have foreigners, but they don't have a lot of foreigners like me, crazy one. Some people say I am from Xinjiang, some people say I am from Pakistan, some people say I am from India, some people they say I am from Africa, and some people they say I am from somewhere else, but they never guess my country, you know. Even the Pakistan guys last time asked me, "Are you from Pakistan?" That's the main problem, you know, when you are from the small country, you know, nobody recognizes you. But I'm from Nepal, so I'm truly original from Nepal. And the grandmothers, if they saw me, they will scare at once. And the kids, if they saw me, they will laugh because I have long hair. They feel strange. Very, you know, craziest experience to live in China. You know, all the time you have, every single minute you have like a different, you know, interaction, and which makes you really love to live in China, because you have every time different people ask you different things and react differently. So it's like your life is full of life. Every time you need to interact with you know, so many strange things. That is interesting as well. Look at the ladies on my left. These are beautiful ladies because they have enough height. So they look nice. Look how tall they are. Finally finished our hassle. Going home now. Didn't buy a lot of things, some clothes and some candies.